Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Back again with another episode of Sneaker Sundays with your boy Kemi. This week we're gonna be talking about the Denim Air Force 1. So let's take a look over here. This was the prototype Denim Air Force 1. This has never been seen before, never posted anywhere. So this was like one of my very first pairs I made, just figuring out what works where, how do I get the shoe to configure, and what different shades of denim I want to make. This right here is the actual Denim Air Force 1. You can see in my previous YouTube videos. And then after that, we made the Denim Air Force 1 2.0. More of a lighter wash, more distress, darker patterns all over, and came out as a good overall shoe. So we're gonna be talking about this Denim Air Force 1 in this video. So stay tuned, make sure to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Right now, we're just sewing the lambskin liner on. This is probably the most difficult part of the shoe in my opinion, because if you don't have the liner right, the whole shoe is off. So this is just the process of how I do it. So we'll be putting out the denim tutorials soon. If you're interested in learning how to make a pair of Air Force 1s, I'll have that available probably next 2-3 weeks on my website. So stay tuned for that.
Jealousy woes, yeah. I'm running them flows, yeah. She like she knows, yeah. She curling the toes, yeah.
So right now we're gonna be re-gluing the shoe to the sole. This will probably be the easiest part right here. Right now we're just using regular barge cement, and we're just gonna like use the heat gun to activate it and place the shoe on the sole.
She telling me yes, she let me undress, she let me finesse. She won't let me go. Not jealousy woes, a whole bunch of hoes.
So right now, this is the second most difficult part of the shoe, is sewing the shoe on the sole right now. So the tool I'm using is called a sewing awl. So you have to push that tool through the sole, through all the layers, and you got to make a knot inside the shoe and pull that same knot out. So if you take a look inside of what I'm doing, it'll show you how difficult it is right there. Well, I know also too there's some machines you can buy that do this, but I think the machine they think about $2,000 to $3,000 as well. I can do this for you and it'll be done like in 4 or 5 minutes. But this is just the most basic, more efficient way to do it because you can control what's happening right here.
On a 2-time use session, since the location. Never slip in my road, I ain't even guess. Motherfuckers ain't your type, and won't fall on guard. Never gonna turn my way, never want uproar. Never getting time in time, every damn time we talk. How you gonna make me race? Ain't even get no call, ain't even get it now. Stayed off limitation, still I'm gonna get what's mine. I been okay, I been off change, you been okay. Breath me, blaze, soon time I get my face, yeah. Never replace, fucking with the waste, man. Never get this, yeah. Yeah, and I saw you, and I love to watch you, and I love the way I argue. What if I caught you looking real charming, baby, we're bombing, swinging like Tarzan, would've want tap, yeah. Ever I caught you, I've been real conscious, yeah. Love your makeup, still gon' love it when you take her. Tell me when you go when you take her. Baby, I don't care, wanna shake her. Motherfucker, jog get my cake up, yeah. Baby, got a chain, go play, yeah. Fight like clay, don't play, yeah. Baby, getting on my plate, yeah. Took off my hat, yeah. What's after that, yeah. I'ma gon' pass, yeah. Gon' cap my cat, yeah. 1 or 2 time you session, since the location. Ever since been my road. Now you ain't even guess. Motherfuckers ain't your type, they won't fall on guard. ever gonna turn my way. Never want, oh bro.